Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I appeared for the GATE DA exam and today I want to talk about something very real. Before starting, let me clearly one thing. The result is not out yet and this video is not about marks or rank. It is properly based on exam experience, observation, preparation, clarity, especially those who are planning to appear the upcoming GATE DA exam. So, why I'm sharing this? Many people feel that only after clearing the exam someone has the right to talk about it. But I personally believe that experience inside the exam hall teaches you things that no topper interview can fully explain. If you are confused, anxious, or just starting your gate journey, this video is meant to give you a clear and honest picture of how the exam actually feels and how preparation should be approached. So I'm sharing you my exam experience. Talking about the paper itself, it was not about memorizing formulas or facts. The exam was clearly concept driven. So some questions looked simple, but they tested how well you understand the fundamentals. If your fundamentals is extreme, if your fundamental is great, that will help you to attempt very easily all the questions. So, what I strongly felt inside the exam hall was this: if your concepts are clear and your mind is calm, the paper feel manageable. But if you are panic to see the questions, even familiar questions starts feeling difficult. So, firstly, you have to prepare yourself. So, yes, mindset and the time management play a very important role in GATE exam and any exam. And I personally observe one thing. Let's talk about the important point, subject weightage. If we are look at the 2024 GATE exam, the weightage across subject was almost evenly distributed. No single subject dominated the paper and every topic has reasonable representation. However, I'm talking about the this year exam. I personally observed was a higher number of questions from the statics and the probability, along with machine learning based concepts. This year clearly indicates a growing focus on analytical thinking and data oriented understanding. Don't focus on the prediction. Very important thing I want to share you. At the same time, I want to be very clear. This observation is based on exam experience and recent trends only. GATE never officially announced subject wise weightage and the patterns can change every year. So please don't prepare with the mindset that only certain subjects matter. So you have focused equally in all subjects. What aspirants should learn from this: the right approach is balanced, have a strong fundamental in all subjects, but give extra attention to statics, probability, and machine learning, especially if you are preparing for the future attempts. These subjects are not only important for GATES but also extremely useful for higher studies, research, and industry roles, and also in IT fields like a data analytics, data engineer, data scientist also. So your efforts here is never wasted. So I'm sharing you about the smart and realistic preparation strategy. In my opinion, GATE preparation works best when divided into three simple phases. First simple phase is building a concept, because your foundation is your focus on your understanding basics and clear your fundamentals in every subject. Firstly, use limited and reliable resources and always solve PYQ along with learning and analysis. Second is practice. Solve topic wise questions is very important. It will help you to analyze in which topic you are lack. Identify your weak areas early. Do not rush to finish the syllabus without clarity, because if you are rush, you are completely your syllabus, but you are unable to understand actual what the concept and the topic are talking, and the concept you are unable to understand if you are rush. So be calm, and slowly you have to finish your all concept. uh, and the third is revision and testing. Make short notes, revise multiple times, give mock test and analyze them properly. It was very important. Revision is most important. Test scores matters in mock, but the test analysis is also most important. So focus on firstly revision. I can suggest you common mistakes to avoid. One mistake many students make it starting revision very late. So don't wait for syllabus completion. You have to start revision daily. If you are complete one topic, firstly you have to revise that topic and start a new topic. It will really helpful for you. So another mistake is giving a mock test but without analysis. It will giving the mock test, but they not analysis that they not analysis your mistakes. So firstly you have to improve also this area if you are preparing for upcoming exam. And also consistency is more important than motivation. If you are preparing or planning to be attempt a future exam, so you have to focused 2 to 3 hours daily enough if done regularly and honestly. So the last message from my side is GATE is not just an exam, it's a journey that teaches you a patience, discipline and self awareness. So if you are planning and preparing for GATE, so don't much more focused on prediction. Please trust the process, it will help you. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if this video help you, do like, share and subscribe, and feel free to share your doubt or experience in the comments. If you need a roadmap for the upcoming DA exam, I please drop a comment and I will share you the roadmap, and also I will share you the uh, free videos which I have prefer in my preparation. So thank you so much.